Hi guys, I just wanted to do a video on this SHUR-LINE Touch Up Painter. This product on Amazon is $6.79. And I guess how it works is you store the paint inside here and this bottom part just screws off. So you store the paint inside here and you squeeze it and the paint comes on this roller and you apply it to whatever surface you want. And I mean, this product looks like it's a very great idea. You don't have to use a bucket and a paintbrush every time now. I mean, you can just store paint in here and squeeze it and go as you need to do on whatever surface. So I'm just gonna do a video on using this product in action on actual paint, on an actual wall, and yeah. So here's the product in action. Squeeze, and I guess you just start rolling with it. As you can see, the paint is being applied. And squeeze some more in there. So as you can see, it's much easier than using a bucket and a paintbrush. All you do is squeeze, put some more on there. As you can see, there's some stains on the wall, and let's just keep going with this. And let's try edging with it. So as you can see, it is very easy to get really close to the corner with this. You don't have to watch, you kind of just ride the molding with the plastic and you just allow it to go. And yeah, it's very easy to use. Let's try the corner. Okay, so here I see there would be a problem with doing the corner. I'm not sure how this would go. Yeah, it's pretty hard to get into the corners with this. Maybe you can. Yeah, so you can't get into the corners with this. It's kind of hard. But, I mean, in terms of just covering up paint, touching up paint, it's very easy. And for just $7, it saves a lot of headache. And yeah. Alright, so I just used the product as you saw in the video, and I'm just going to give some pros and cons about this. So the pros is that it's very easy to use and it's very convenient. I mean, I did all that painting and I have no paint on my hands, no spilling. The product, I mean, all you do is squeeze and paint, squeeze and paint. It's very easy to get rid of smudges and all those like marks you want to get rid of on the wall. The cons are that if you're trying to do some edging or some cornering, like that corner right there, and this product isn't able to do that because of the shape it has. I mean, you can't get this into a corner or a 90-degree angle. But yeah, that is the only con of this product. And everything else, it was very easy to do and very convenient, like I said. So yeah, I highly recommend this product, and yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.